Today we're reviewing the Dyson Spot+Scrub Ai wet and dry robot vacuum. This premium cleaner focuses on AI stain detection, strong carpet suction, and a self-cleaning wet roller for comprehensive floor care. It also features convenient bagless self-emptying and refilling capabilities. Check the link in the description for the best price. The Dyson Spot+Scrub Ai introduces ambitious hardware, bringing innovative cleaning concepts to your home. Hard floor cleaning is a main strength because the roller system consistently keeps the mop refreshed while it moves across surfaces. On carpets, the adaptable suction power is very strong, capable of delivering impressive pickup to optimize debris removal from various pile types. The AI stain identification system effectively uses a high-contrast green beam to detect invisible stains, targeting them repeatedly for thorough removal. While capable, the navigation maturity is still developing compared to more established brands, meaning it may not always be the most efficient. This robot shows strong potential, particularly with its wet and dry cleaning, yet its overall navigation maturity still has room to grow. Considering the high price tag, it's crucial to evaluate whether the Dyson Spot+Scrub Ai delivers adequate value. The Dyson offers cutting-edge AI and wet-dry technology, yet these advanced features come at a significant premium for the overall package. Dyson's brand carries significant trust, known for its innovative engineering and powerful performance across many of its product categories. Compared to established robot vacuum leaders like Roborock or Ecovacs, this model faces stiff competition, offering more proven ecosystems. Despite its high current cost, Dyson products often gain better value through competitive discounts over time, making it worth watching. While Dyson's engineering reputation is strong, the overall value is tempered by its premium price when compared to several well-established competitors. When investing in a new technology like this, understanding potential risks and buyer complaints is essential. Dyson typically delivers excellent build quality and materials, which implies strong physical durability and a solid construction for this robot. Reliability is still somewhat uncertain because it's a new platform, meaning long-term buyer evidence is more limited than older systems. Dyson typically offers robust customer support and comprehensive warranty coverage, which can help mitigate potential risks for buyers. The app experience is functional, though its maturity and feature set might not yet match the most polished and established robot ecosystems. While Dyson offers good support, the relative newness of this platform means some early buyer uncertainty still exists regarding long-term reliability. The Dyson Spot+Scrub Ai is for premium buyers keen on advanced, stain-focused wet/dry automation and Dyson's innovative approach. Value-focused buyers, or those prioritizing a deeply proven robot vacuum ecosystem, might find better alternatives. This robot introduces excellent hardware ideas, but its high price point and the platform's early maturity remain significant considerations for now.